After my visit in Slovenia, I was very happy to hear that the government of Slovenia is considering even changing the constitution and recognizing sign language as the language, as official language in Slovenia. And I think that can be a very important example and precedent for other countries in Europe, because it actually makes the connection between sign language as a language, not simply connecting it to a handicap or having to address a handicap. The Convention on Persons with Disabilities only addresses certain situations. There's only a few provisions which deal with the potential use of sign languages. But if you connect this to human rights, sign languages are languages, and there are therefore human rights to be considered, then you have a much wider area of protection. One very simple example is freedom of expression. Freedom of expression includes linguistic expression. So if sign languages are a language, you have freedom of linguistic expression in sign languages. That throughout history there have been times when sign languages have been banned, have been prohibited, even in private activities. Today, from a human rights point of view, a human rights approach, this would be considered to be a violation of freedom of expression. So I think what you're doing by linking sign languages as languages, and there are relevant human rights, is broadening, if you will, the possible range of rights that you can claim for the use and recognition or protection of sign languages.